Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Got a little treat for you, something I've been wanting to do for a little while. Don't know about you, I love a Big Mac sandwich. I hear a lot of people say they're not fans of the Big Mac, but you know, it's one of the top selling burgers on the planet, to be quite honest with you. If it's not the top, it's right up there. So if someone likes it, I happen to be one of them. So we're gonna do, it may or may not be a little healthier version of this, but we're gonna do a Big Mac wrap and see how it turns out. I've actually never done it, so you're gonna see it here from this channel for the very first time. Let me show you what we're doing. Okay, for starters here, this is a pound of dry aged ground beef from Porter Road. I guess you could say that is some 2 or 4 off beef patties ground up is what it's gonna be here today. We got some lettuce, some cheese, some pickles, onions, I'll have a recipe in there for some homemade version of a Copycat McDonald's sauce, but I want to encourage y'all, if y'all run across this G. Hughes sugar-free burger secret sauce, it's pretty close. Give it a try if you see it. That's what I'm using today. And we're going to wrap it all up in a nice non-sesame seeded tortilla. That's how we're going to do this today. Real simple. Shouldn't take us very long to get done. And let's get her going. Got our skillet all heated up here. Let's go ahead and get our ground beef in there. Shouldn't take too long here. And I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, and garlic. I'm just gonna use the SPG from Grillaholics, my friends there. If you're interested in some, I believe my link in the comments or the description will get you 20% off if you'd like to buy some. I'm gonna do about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, or however you say it. Got a good mix in there. Alright guys, we are about ready to assemble these. Let me drain this fat off of here and we'll get right back and we'll make us a Big Mac wrap. Alright, I just heated up some tortillas in the microwave. Get this thing going. And of course, some of the G. Hughes sugar-free secret burger sauce. And I'm just saying that it tastes an awful lot like McDonald's Big Mac sauce. This sauce will come in over some lettuce. And like that. Cheese. Gotta have cheese on a Big Mac. Some pickles. And of course some onions. I don't want a whole lot of onions, but I'll take a few. And it's all beef grounds. Ground up patties. How about that? Come on, Rogers, at least try to make it pretty. Always add too much. Miss anything? I don't think so. Let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna have to use a couple toothpicks. All right, look at that, guys. No fries with this one. We're just gonna serve this up with some cheese Doritos. Well, I have no idea what that's gonna taste like, but it sure looks awful good. Let's get a bite of that. All right, take our toothpicks out so we don't stab ourselves. That would not be good. Could be very messy. Eat over the plate, Mr. Rogers. All right, let's take a bite of this. Look at that, guys. I don't know if I can show it to you properly. They're pretty good, guys. Got a napkin. That is pretty darn tasty, guys. The sauce is not an exact match, but it's a very good burger sauce, and I'll accept it as a copycat McDonald's sauce. Close enough. Guys, thank you. I have a feeling I'm gonna make another one for sure. It is that good. So guys, thank you as always for joining us. As long as it's hot out there like it's been, I'm going to be doing some inside stuff as much as possible. So we'll try to get it back outside as soon as possible. So guys, until next time, thank you as always. Hit that like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. It helps the channel out quite a bit. So guys, until next time, we'll see you soon. God bless you folks. Bye-bye. Cheers.